Top keyboard shortcuts in Walmart, shopping, and grocery. Now, if you're looking for some of the best keyboard shortcuts that you can use within Walmart website or the app. Now, first of all, Walmart is an e-commerce site, right, where you can choose to buy stuffs online, and which is why they don't have much keyboard shortcuts. So it's not a visual editing app or anything like that where you can use some keyboard shortcuts or something, but you can use the native keyboard shortcuts of your device, because if you're using Mac, you can use Command C to copy a certain text, let's say, and if you're using Windows, you can use Ctrl C respectively, and to paste it again, if you're searching for something, you can just Ctrl V or Command V to paste that product. If you're looking for a certain keyword within the page, you can always hit Command F or Ctrl F to open the search menu, and you can search for any type of keyword that you're looking for within a certain page. And these are some keyboard shortcuts that you can use within Walmart, but there isn't any dedicated one. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.